Morphle, morph into a train.
Have fun at the beach, everyone!
To find it. Now the lion is missing as well. Where could it have gone? The giraffe has gone missing as well. Her bandage! Yes! The bandits must have stolen them. Let's find them. Aha! There you are, bandits. What did you do with all the animals?
Huh? What animals?
The animals that were in the carts that have disappeared.
You mean the carts that have disappeared like that?
Monkey. Uh-oh, he's gone missing. Don't worry, we'll find him again. There you are. It's not fun to be alone, is it? Now that you're together again, let's find the other animals. They must feel just as alone and sad as you did just now. If you find them, you can call Morphle. Uh-oh! Morphle, morph tracks to right underneath the elephant. Phew! Great! Now let's find the others. Wow! That looks great, Lion! Yeah! Now we only need to find the giraffe. Whee! There you are, giraffe. You see, monkeys? It's much more fun to all be together. Now, let's go to the beach. Bye-bye, giraffe.
this is Barry. He received an invitation from his nephew Frank, who lives in the jungle, and he would like to visit it. But I can't just leave the zoo unattended. Could you take Barry to the jungle, Mila and Morphle?
Of course, Zookeeper Kenneth. Morphle, morph into a helicopter. Don't get too close, Morphle. The volcano is really hot. Okay, Barry, where does your nephew Frank live? Don't worry, we will help you find him. This sounds like a job for Detective Mila and Detective Morphle. Does Frank like bananas, Barry? Then he must have dropped these while taking a walk. If we follow the bananas, we will find Frank. Oh no, a tiger! Morph into a lion, Morphle. Thank you, Morphle. Yes, back to the search. Oh no, look! The elephant is dropping all those bananas, not Frank. You want us to follow you? Your nephew Frank. Yay! Hey, Barry, it's getting late and we have to return home. Ooh, that's very nice. Thank you so much for the party, everybody. Morph into a helicopter, Morphle.
Thanks for coming with me to the doctor, Morphle, even though it might be a little boring.
Morphle like doctor.
That's good to hear. Now, if you could take a seat right here. Is your sight better or worse? Worse. And now? Better. And now? It's the same. All done.
Morphle want to test too.
All right, then. How well can you see, Morphle?
No good.
And now? How about now?
Yeah, Morphle see good.
As I expected. I'll print out the results for you. Be sure not to mix them up, Morphle.
Ooh, bye-bye.
Hey, wait up, Morphle. See you next time, Doctor. Bye now. Now, let me see that test result of mine, Morphle. Oh, wow. It says here, I don't need glasses anymore. Now let me see your test, Morphle. Oh dear, it looks like you need my glasses. Let's get them adjusted so they will fit you. Are you happy with your glasses, Morphle?
Yeah, Morphle happy, but Morphle see bad.
Me too. But I'm sure the doctor knows best. I think our eyes just need a little time to adjust. In the meantime, why don't we go play at the beach?
Yeah!
What are you doing?
People are not very friendly today. Wow! It's a great day at the beach. These are the best waves I've ever seen. But all that surfing made me hungry. Let's get some ice cream. Ah, refreshing. Let me see if it's time to pick up Mila from school. I think we still have time to feed the magic pets back at the store, Morphle. I think it's time we call your dad.
I can't believe they forgot about me.
I need to feed Brother Time. Could you hand me that magic pet food, Morphle?
What are you doing? Are you blind?
Far from it. We just had our eyes checked, Police Officer Freeze.
I'm not Police Officer Freeze. I'm Zookeeper Kenneth.
Huh? You're Kenneth?
Anyway, Morphle needs glasses now, and I don't.
Hey!
See? You need glasses, and Morphle doesn't.
Hey, this isn't the Magic Pet Shop. Oh no, we must have mixed up the test results. And look at the time. We need to pick up Mila from school, Morphle.
Oh, Mila!
Those guys. I'm glad they have Mila who can keep an eye on them.
Well, it's a good thing we went by car. It's chilly outside today.
Daddy, what's going on? Are we shrinking?
No, the car is growing. I can't reach the steering wheel anymore.
Quickly, Morphle, morph into a plane. Morphle, you have to put it to a stop. Morph into a giant car yourself.
Hey! What's happening to my car?
Uh-oh. Looks like we're not done yet. going to be just fine, Phoebe. Drink some tea and keep warm. Your cold will be over in a couple of days.
What?
Out of the way, everybody! Everybody, out of the way!
Look out!
Oh, no! It's heading for the water! Whoa, whoa.
Oh no, my truck!
Quickly, Morphle. Morph into a giant tow truck.
Oh, thank you, Morphle. You've saved my ice cream.
Hi, Mila. What are you all doing here? And why is that car so big?
I'm afraid you did that, Phoebe. Every time you sneeze, you used your magic.
Oh, no. But no worries. Nothing bad happened. Let's go zap everything back to normal. Morphle, morph into a rocket.
Wait a minute. I think everybody could use a treat after this adventure. And I have a lot of ice cream. Morphle, would you get it for me?
Morphle, morph into a giant digger. Oh, look, Morphle. It's a rainbow. It's so bright and colorful. Let's go check it out, Morphle. Morph into a unicorn. Let's follow the rainbow and see where it leads us.
Hello, you two. Welcome to our magical world. Will you come play with us?
Of course! That sounds like a lot of fun! Let's follow him, Morphle!
Please join us and have some tea and a cupcake.
Oh, thank you!
The sun is setting, so we have to put the stars in the sky. Will you two help us?
Sure! That sounds like a lot of fun! Oh, but we have to get back. It's getting late. Oh no! The rainbow has disappeared! How do we get back home now?
Me and my friends can help you.
Red! Orange! Yellow!
Green!
Blue! Come on!
to play along with us?
Har! That looks like fun. We'll play along. Hey, that looks like fun too.
Stop it! Cut it out, guys! I don't want to play!
Har, what are you talking about? This game is fun.
Hey! Stop it! She doesn't want to play with you.
Hey, that's not fair. We just want to play with her.
Pirates can have fun too, you know.
Yeah, but she doesn't want to play.
Arr!
Stop them, Morphle! Morph into a whale!
Let's get out of here, Pirate Phil.
Do you want to join us in a different game? Yeah. Oh no! Morphle, morph into a T-Rex too!
Morphle scared.
Don't worry, Morphle. I think it's almost time for Brother Time to zap us back to our own time. Look! We're back!
Yeah.
Thank you, Brother Time. Using your magic pet powers, we went to the past and saw lots of dinosaurs.
Yeah. Thank you.
Did you hear that, Jon?
Yeah, they saw a lot of dinosaurs.
Yes, and
They had a lot of fun.
this means we can go to the past as well.
Oh, good idea, Stein.
And in the past, we can gather dinosaurs to create our own dino army.
Wow! I always wanted to be a general, Stein.
What's that? Oh no! Stop it, bandits! We need to follow them, Morphle.
Keep up, Jon.
Uh-oh, I can't see them anymore.
Morphle cannot too.
I know! Morphle, morph into a search dog!
Look, Jon.
They are so cute and little.
They will be the first members of our dino army.
I don't think they want to join us, Stein.
Come on, guys. It's gonna be great. Ah! Ah!
Bandits!
Oh no! to a gallimimus so we can catch up with them. Yeah! Now morph into a T-Rex to scare the velociraptors away. Bandits, the age of the dinosaurs is very dangerous.
It really is, Stein.
I guess you're...
Dinosaur! Oh no! A pteranodon has taken the bandits! Morphle, morph into a pterodactyl!
I can't fly.
Oh,
Morphle, morph into a triceratops so you can pin down its tail.
phew. Thank you.
Stein, behind you.
Uh-oh.
Help us!
T-Rex! And the velociraptors!
Can't you morph into something?
Tricycle!
Oh no!
I have an idea. Morphle, morph into a big Argentinosaurus. Woo, we're safe here.
Great.
I love you, Morphle. Yeah.
Now we only have to wait until Brother Time's hourglass runs out of sand, and we will be sent back to our own time.
Look!
We're back.
Yeah.
Maybe the dino army wasn't such a good plan after all.
Mila, Morphle, look at this new toy I got.
Oh!
Huh?